What's up, class? So Mr. Williams here. I'm going to show you all how to get into CoderZ, which is the way that we're going to be working with robotics. To get a little bit of robotics in, the rest of the time, I really want you to focus on yourself and focus on what's going to happen in your future. So part of our class is going to be all of those things. But for Mondays, we're going to be working on CoderZ. The first thing you're going to do is get into our classroom for CoderZ. So if you click on the link that I'm going to provide you, it'll take you here. And then, of course, the next thing you got to do is just click on log in. Boom. Logged in. All right, now you either type in everything you need to log in or sign in with Google. I would suggest sign in with Google and use your DPS web account to get into CoderZ so that you can easily communicate with your DPS email. All right, so now that we're in here, you can see there's different classes. So far, nobody in 8th grade. We got 6th grade participating. We got 7th grade participating. There's a few folks. Remember, you guys have to do this now. We are not going back to school, so you have to go to school online. Everything is here for you. Now, once you get into my class, you will have access to all of the courses. What we're going to do today is Adventure Peak. Adventure Peak will take you about 30 minutes to finish, and that's nonstop all the way through. It has step-by-step instructions, so check it out. Alright, so writing CoderZ is snapping blocks together. You have all the blocks right here. Drive gear tells you, or the drive block tells you either you can go forward or you can go backwards. Right, there's options. You can go forward or go backwards. But here, I just going to click here, bring it over to the starting block. Program start, and it goes. Alright, so my activity is done. I can go on to the next activity, or I could try again if it doesn't work. But once it gets to this circle right here, this target, you're good to go. Now, it's not too difficult, but if you have any questions, make sure you ask me on Google Classroom. I'm there to help. All of this is not super trivial. Some of it gets a little more difficult, but you can do this. You can all do this. Alright, so give it a try. What we're doing, our goal today is for us to finish up at Adventure Peak. Everybody should be able to do that. Mission 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So similar to what we did when we were doing programming in the classroom. Just a little bit different because we're using blocks. Okay, so knock this out. And if you have any questions, post them in the comments and I'll be happy to help you out in any way I can.